Hello dear viewers. In this video, we'll speak about Marina from Inventa. This light is available in 3 different wattages. The 3 watt, 5 watt and the 8 watt. The 3 watt and the 5 watt options are suitable for junction boxes, while the 8 watt option is perfect for your spotlight solutions. And they also provide multiple color options to choose from. Currently, I have the 8 watt Cool Marina Junction Light. To find this product, use the product code MAR8C. 8 denotes the wattage, while C denotes the cool white color of the product. We also have N for neutral, Y for warm white, P for pink, G for green and B for blue color variations. Now let's unbox this product and see what's inside. Inside we have the light itself and it looks quite appealing. Let's discuss about the product's features. Both the body and the diffuser are made out of high-grade polycarbonate material, which makes it unbreakable, resistant to color fading and also flame-proof. Inside the light, you'll find high-quality LEDs that provide excellent lighting without any dark spots or LED glare. Additionally, this comes with a 4 kVA surge protection driver which protects the light from high voltage fluctuations. In case you need to repair your light, the company provides you with a 2-year warranty period. Both the product and the driver are registered for BIS certification. On the back side of this product, you can see 2 high tension springs with anti-slippage properties for perfect gripping. This makes the installation pretty easier. Let me show you how it works. Just press the sleeves into your junction box or the spotlight box and it fits perfectly. The installation is now complete. Let's see how the lights work in real time. We are now going to plug the light in the current supply. Wow, the light looks so rich and royal and it's perfect for your place. Finally, we have reached the end of this video. It is worth mentioning that all of Inventa's products are currently being manufactured completely in India, with its mass manufacturing unit currently present in Pallikaranai, Chennai. If you have any product related queries or need assistance with replacement or warranty, don't hesitate to dial the toll-free number that is being displayed on the screen right now, or reach out to us at support@inventa.in. Thanks for watching the video.